Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and enabling access. Back up everything now to cloud or PC so you can restore later. Next, open Developer Options and enable OEM Unlock plus USB debugging so the phone will accept a custom update. Once done, charge the device above 60% and connect it to your PC with a reliable cable. This prevents interruptions. These steps let you unlock the bootloader and prepare the phone for the Android 12 installation. With the bootloader unlocked, download the exact Android 12 factory image for your model and extract it on your PC. Install Android SDK platform tools so you can run Fastboot and a DB. Make sure Fastboot devices list your phone. Then follow the flash sequence. Flash the boot, system, vendor, and radio if provided, and wait for each command to complete without disconnecting. Make sure to use the provided scripts or documented order. This ensures partitions align and the new OS boots cleanly. After flashing, reboot into the new system and complete the initial setup, then restore your backup so apps and accounts return. Make sure Android 12 runs smoothly for a few cycles before you relock the bootloader, because relocking blocks further flashing. If the phone enters a boot loop, do not panic. Reboot to recovery, clear cache, and if needed, reflash the same factory images from a verified source. That troubleshooting flow fixes most issues without risking data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.